2016 GMC Sierra. The tailgate lock does not always lock, so we're going to fix that today. So tailgate's unlocked. I'm going to hit the lock. You'll hear it, but it's still not locked. I can lock it with the key, so it's nice and locked right now. If I unlock it, still locked. Now it's unlocked. But it will not lock back. So I've already got the new actuator. This is OEM, made in South Korea. I guess that's better than North Korea, huh? But this is an OEM AC Delco. That's what you get. Get the actuator on its bracket. So what we got to take this panel off. This panel is held on with Torx. Looks like a T15. So you guys don't really care about watching me take the panel off. I'm going to take these. There's what are there? 2, 4, 6, 8 screws. T15 Torx. That'll take this panel off, and then we'll see what the next step is. So let me get this panel off real quick, and we'll be back. Okay, panel's off. There's the actuator. So when it goes to the unlock, it seems like it's kind of weak. It is moving. Okay. Yeah, see that right there is a lock. And I'm thinking that it needs to go ahead and be able to pull that down, and it just can't do it. So let's see. Okay, so to get this little connector off, pull back, push down, connector comes off. I guess before we go too far, make sure this is the exact same one, and it does look like it. 10 millimeter. Let me grab a 10 millimeter socket. Gonna take the. It looks like there's only these 2 bolts. Okay. I'm just going to take some of this. I'm going to get a little bit of grease and rub into that area. I mean, this thing moves good, and that's what locks and unlocks the tailgate. So I'm thinking that the original actuator is just weak, but I want to clean the dirt off this stuff. At least off that, put a little bit of grease in there, and we'll see about putting this new one in and seeing what happens. Okay, so this is the way the new one came. It came with a bolt already started. As you can see, that's slotted. The actuator is spring-loaded to the center. So I'm assuming, okay, yeah, see how it just drops right in there. That's going to go underneath right here. Try that again. It just didn't seem like it was laying down like it needs to go down farther, but it can't. Okay, I guess that is about the same. It just doesn't seem like it's going down far enough. But let's get it all tightened up. See, let me moment of truth. Okay, that's unlocked right there. Lock, unlock. Those appear to be working. That's all there is to it. 2 bolts, this panel. 5 minutes worth of your time, and I think I paid about $35 for it. That is OEM AC Delco, made in South Korea, unfortunately, but it is the OEM. It's not Dorman. It's not an aftermarket brand. That's an OEM part. This vehicle's got 70,000 miles on it. This does look like it was the original one, and so I guess that's about the life expectancy you can get out of them. Anyway, I'm going to put this panel back on, then we'll make sure that it does lock and unlock with it closed, and call this a done deal. Okay, so it's locked. It's unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. So a little bit better peace of mind. You know, with these tailgates nowadays that's got the cameras built in them, they're a pretty high theft item. People like to steal them. So it's nice to know that whenever your vehicle's locked, that it's going to be harder for that to happen. Also, if you don't have a tailgate lock, I'd recommend a tailgate lock. It's going to just make it that much harder for a thief that's thinking he's going to be able to just come up real quick and unbuckle your tailgate and pull it off. That's not going to happen. He's going to have some tools and a little bit more time than what he was wanting before he gets that tailgate off. So, little tailgate lock, I think about $15 for that tailgate lock. Anyway, that's all there is to it. 2016 GMC Sierra. Same deal for the Chevy Silverado. Later.